jail. Really? Yeah, it was mad, dude. Like senators were going to jail. It was just crazy. It was wild. The coffee
Welcome to Sydney, everybody. The local time here is 9:40 a.m. on Sunday the 1st of July. And with your safety in mind, please stay in your seat until the captain has switched off the seatbelt sign. And if your mobile phone is handy, you may now switch it on. If you are continuing on another international flight and have a boarding pass, check the screens throughout the terminal for details of your next flight departure. If you don't have a boarding pass, make your way to the transfer desk. If you're continuing on a domestic flight, you must clear customs and immigration, collect your bags and make your way to the Qantas domestic transfer facility. And once again, for all those passengers with very tight connecting flights, please see the ground staff with your new passport details. Sorry, the new boarding pass details. And please take care when opening your overhead lockers, as your bags may have moved during the flight. And once the seatbelt sign is up, release the forward left-hand doors. Just a reminder to check your seat and seat pocket for any personal items. And also smoking and the use of e-cigarettes is not permitted unless there's a designated smoking area in the terminal. So once again, please remain seated until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. And on behalf of Qantas and the entire team today, thank you for choosing to fly with us. We do hope you enjoyed your flight. Look forward to seeing you again soon. Good morning.